Today I'll be reading a story over Pizza Counting by Christina Dobson. At the same time, we're going to be doing a KWL chart, which is what do I know, what I want to know, and what I learned. So, before I start reading the book, Counting Pizzas, we want to learn, or we already know about counting pizzas, is that pizza is a food. So that's what the book is over. So that'll be our first point. Or that's what we know over the book. The second point from what we know over the book is we're going to be counting maybe numbers or something like that. Maybe that deals with counting pizza, something around that area. So counting numbers. The next point that we know over the book is you can probably make pieces using the pizza or something in that kind of area. So we're going to put counting pieces, dealing with pizza. Now the next area from the KWL chart, what I want to know. So from what I want to know from the book, or from what the students need to know, is maybe more, we want to learn maybe more about counting. So I'm going to put the first point, learn more about counting. The next point that I believe that maybe the kids will need to learn based off the book is how to use counting using pizza or pizza pieces. So, how to use pizza pieces. Okay, so at this point we're going to go ahead and get started on reading the book. So again, the title is Pizza Counting by Christina Dobson. If you think pizza is delicious, say delicioso. That's how people say delicious in Italy, where the first pizza was made. This is a plain cheese pizza. It has 0 pieces on top. It has only crust, cheese, and tomato sauce. So as we can see, there is nothing on the pizza, therefore on the sides it has 0 plus 0 equals 0. So this also teaches children how to count or how to add. The first pizza had no sauce because there were no tomatoes. Explorers brought the first tomato seeds from America to Europe in the 1500s. For the next 200 years, most people thought tomatoes were precious. Let's face it, a tasty pizza with a smile on the face of a hungry kid, a plain pizza is like a blank piece of paper. A great place to create a picture. The picture on the pizza is made from 1 mushroom, 2 olives, 3 strips of green bell pepper, and 4 slices of tomato. So, dealing with the pizzas, they can also create any kind of face. They can count how many toppings they're going to put on the pizza. For instance, on here it has 1 mushroom, 2 olives, 3 strips of green bell pepper, and 4 slices of a tomato. And then on the sides of each corner, we'll show the student how to add. So it has 1 plus 2 equals 3. So there's 1 mushroom and 2 olives, and so on and so forth. You can celebrate the 4th of July with a patriotic pizza. Its flag design is made of 4 eggplant stars, 6 red onion strips, 7 cheese strips, and 8 red bell pepper pieces. So here they created a pizza with using numbers counting each pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of eggplant. And then it also has 6 strips of bell pepper. No, that's onion. And then it has the bell pepper and the cheese stripes. And again, just like the other one, it had parts where they could add. So 5 plus 6 would equal to 11, and so on. Once upon a time, people decided that pizza was the perfect snack food. It's a tasty, quick meal, especially if it is a clock piece with 9 green pepper pieces, 10 tiny meatballs, 11 red onion strips, and 12 salami slices. It takes only 10 minutes to bake a pizza in a very hot oven about 550 degrees. In Italy, the bakers sometimes use red-hot vacuum rocks, volcanic rocks, to heat their pizza ovens. So this just creates a pizza for the child maybe to eat, like it better, however, and then they'll have them how to count. Here has 11 red onions, so they would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then, so there's the 11 red onion pieces, and 9 green bell pepper, 10 meatballs, and the 12 pepperonis. Any surprise is discovered so soon. We say that cat is out of the bag. This cat is out of a box, a pizza box. Well, it surprised you to discover a cat pizza with 13 onion strips, 14 chive pieces, 15 pepperoni slices, and 16 basil leaves. Some pizzas make a perfect dessert. They have ham instead of tomato sauce, jam instead of tomato sauce, and pieces of fruit on top. So it's not just a snack or a meal, but it's also a dessert, which, like how they said they could add jam instead of tomato sauce. But on this cat, they created cat, and they had 14 chives and 13 pieces of onion, 15 pieces of pepperonis, and 16 pieces or leaves of basil. And that's how they created cat. And here you would have the students, okay, well, we have 13 pieces of onion plus 14 pieces of chives, which would equal to the 27 pieces. People all over the world eat pizza. In some places, people like tuna, coconut, bean sprouts, or picked ginger on their pizzas. Would you like the Planet Earth pizza with 17 strips of green bell pepper, 18 chives pieces, and 19 pepperoni slices, and 20 onion strips? So here they created a Planet Earth, and they would, just like the other pieces, they